I thought you are going out to make video. I say you want to create
which video? All the video I've been making, this YouTube service for 30 minutes. All the video I've been making, the one I made the last for 30 days now, that is a complete month. All I'm seeing is 12 view, 15 view. The one that even scattered my mind is the one I did 3 days ago. I did video that I just edit. If you know what I put into that video, if you know what I put, let me see the video. Let me see the video. I put so much that you know how somebody will watch that video that will not like it or make comments. You can't believe only 15 view, only 15 persons that click on it. Doesn't mean all the people on the internet have run away. They disappeared. They're no longer there.
Try your best to stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you the fastest and the easiest way to create a viral thumbnail.
I'll continue like that, Derek. Very frustrating.
This your thumbnail is bad, bro.
Give me a thumbnail.
Your thumbnail is thumbnail. This one is like obituary poster.
Go for B.
Like obituary poster.
My thumbnail I'm a very good thumbnail designer. That one, even if you say that one, you are mistaken. Because I know shit. Now look at, I got this award for thumbnail, just for thumbnail. I got award for thumbnail.
Many creators focus more on creating good content. It's not enough to get views on YouTube. The moment you realize the power of thumbnails and titles, that is when your breakthrough starts.
What important is thumbnail? What important the thumbnail has?
See, thumbnail is like a banner that attracts people to your videos. It's like when you open a shop, a food shop. If your banner is not attractive enough, people will not patronize you, no matter how sweet your food is. The same thing with your videos, especially a new creator, a beginner on YouTube. You may have a very quality video, very interesting, full package valued video, but if your thumbnails and titles did not attract people to click on your videos, that video will not get views.
How then should I make my thumbnail to be as in more attractive, just like you said?
Don't place too much text on your thumbnail. Don't make your thumbnail look like newspaper, crowded. The more simple your thumbnails look, more curious it become. Something like, I quit, watch this, do this. All those kind of short words attract people more to click on your video. Mistake a lot of creators do is that they package their thumbnails like newspaper. They full write up, like they want to create content on how to get views on YouTube. They use it like that as their thumbnails. And this words confuse people. A lot of people on YouTube doesn't have time to start reading your thumbnails and titles. So when you make your thumbnails simple, the simpler you make your thumbnail, the more attractive look on YouTube. You put a very simple word with emotional expression. Like this one now is like you are sleeping. Like your grandfather picture on the video, that's what you use when he's sleeping. On your thumbnail, you put emotional expression. Either you are kind of angry, happy, emotional, something like that. You can do like this. You can do kind of showing emotion on your thumbnails. Thumbnail is not something that you just keep dull like this. A lot of people will not get attracted to it. That is the problem. Your thumbnail is your problem.
Is there any secret about thumbnail that you know that I don't know that can help me get more people to click my? Because all I need is people to click that video. What I have inside that video, they watch it to the end, but they are not even clicking it.
There are secret ways you can use your thumbnail to get click on YouTube. It's like when you are making videos, like you said, something like, I'm tired of uploading on YouTube. Your thumbnail should be, I quit. Thumbnails and titles should work together. There is a video that I was watching. The guy made his title, which I cannot really remember, but his thumbnail said, "The food you must taste before you die." This is what the thumbnail said, and the title said something related to that. When you look at that thumbnail, you'll be forced to click on that video. So your thumbnail should be curious, urgent. Your thumbnail should have this kind of urgency for somebody to click on it. Your thumbnail should stop scrolling. When somebody is scrolling on your page like this, The moment they see your thumbnail, they should be able to stop scrolling. That is what gets people to click on your videos.
Give me practical way on step by step how I can create a good thumbnail that will bring you understand what I mean?
I will show you something practical. There are some apps we use to create thumbnail. See, if you want to create good thumbnail, try and learn thumbnails from the big creators in your niche. For example, I see a thumbnail that I really like. How do I get that thumbnail? What is that?
You say I should learn from big creators in our niche.
Yeah.
It's like you forgot something. YouTube. In short, internet is a lonely place. How do you want me to meet? I want to meet someone like what do you call themselves? Brain Jota. And start learning how to create. How do I meet them?
That is not how you learn it. Now we have apps like ChatGPT and other apps there you can use. Let's say I saw your thumbnail and I really like it. How you go about it is that you go to ChatGPT, you first of all screenshot that thumbnail. When you screenshot the thumbnail, you go to ChatGPT, you upload that your thumbnail inside ChatGPT. Then you upload your own picture, the picture you want to use inside ChatGPT as well. You tell ChatGPT to help you design thumbnail that look exactly like this. For instance, maybe you want to use a different topic for your own thumbnail. So what you should do, you give ChatGPT the topic you want to use and tell ChatGPT to design something like that for you. Once you upload it, ChatGPT will design those things for you. Very, very easy and simple. Now, there is a disadvantage of this and there is an advantage of it. First of all, the advantage of using this ChatGPT to create your thumbnail is that it helps you, especially as a small creator, coming up on YouTube. It helps you to get clicked on YouTube. It helps you to at least copy what is already running, to use it to get click on YouTube. But the disadvantage is that when it comes to we human beings, once we see something very easy, we decide to forget our creativity, our ability to be creative. That is the only disadvantage it is. But when you use ChatGPT to get your thumbnail, it packages your thumbnails like big creators. So you don't need to overstretch yourself thinking of how to create thumbnail, especially as a small creator. You can use ChatGPT to start generating quality and very valuable thumbnails. Stop scrolling thumbnail for your video. I tried this for more than 1 week now. All my CTR is very, very high. People are clicking on my video because those thumbnails are very, very attractive. So don't bother yourself too much on creating thumbnail. You can use ChatGPT or other apps here to create a very highly attractive thumbnails for your videos. Now, advice for small creators. You don't need to quit because your videos did not get views. One thing you should understand is that every video you upload on YouTube, it's like when you plant a seed that will germinate tomorrow. You just keep watering them, keep showing up, design your thumbnails. Thumbnails are the beginning of every small creator. The more attention you pay on your thumbnails, the more results you get on your videos. Remember, as a small creator, you are not known on YouTube. People don't really know you. No data, no history. People don't know you. What you get people to click on your videos is your thumbnails and title. I know you have packaged a very quality, valuable videos, but remember, most people were not able to click on that video. All your effort will go to waste. So pay more attention on your thumbnails and titles. Work hard, focus on them, then create good content. The moment people click on your videos, they keep watching your videos. So if you find value on this video, if you like us to start teaching like this, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and check us next time we come. If you have any issue on your channel, don't forget to comment at the comment section. We are right here to help you. See you guys.